This is a Commodore 64 with 4 floppy drives. The Multi Floppy Commander is running. Let's insert a floppy. Press L to get the file listing. Press Ctrl to get to the other panel. Select the drive. Insert another floppy. List the files. My beautiful new file manager. Hello and welcome to the Retro Chicken Farm. This is my latest creative endeavor, a Norton Commander clone, sort of, for the Commodore 64. Let me walk you through its features. First, you can see that it uses a pseudo 80 columns mode in order to fit as much info on the screen as possible but still be readable on a TV set. Next, you can see that it can work with 2 drives at the same time. Here, drive 8 was powered on and got detected. Now let's turn on drive 10 as well. Press R to rescan the bus, and there it is. Next, let's get listings of both floppies. First, drive 8. Press L. Here it is, with all the PETSCII characters supported. And here's the other floppy. Let's try running something. Activate Turbo by pressing T. Press Return. It's loading. And it's running. Let's try a big game this time. Reset the machine. As the Commander is baked directly onto a Magic Desk cartridge, it boots straight into the program. Get the file listing. Let's try to run Defender of the Crown. Turbo on. It's running. Let's try one more, a tiny basic program. No need for turbo this time. Yeah, I can see hello at the top. It works fine. Let's explore some other features. Insert 2 floppies and copy a file from one to the other by pressing F5. I should implement a turbo copying feature as well. This is pretty slow. Finally done. Next, rename. Select your file, press F6, enter a new file name. All done. Let's now try F8 to delete a file. F8, F8 again to confirm. Deleting, and it's gone. You can also press C to change the color scheme to make it more readable on some TV sets. I hard-coded in 5 color schemes. And finally, if you press F1, you can see the help screen with all the keys listed. I almost forgot to tell you about this cool feature. By pressing P, you can print the file listing and stick it to your floppy envelope, like this. The way we used to do it back in the days. But you might be wondering, how does this even look outside of the emulator? Let's first try a CRT TV set with the antenna RF. Well, I honestly thought this would be much worse, but it's actually totally usable. Another TV set, composite. Not great, not terrible. This TV also has an S-video input. Haha! Now this is what I'm talking about, really sharp. Let's also try a square LCD with a video converter. Composite on the left, pretty bad, but it does look worse on camera. And on the right, S-video, much better. There are some more features I want to implement, such as multi-file select, file name quick jump, turbo copying, whole disk copy, and maybe something else as well. And I should also mention that the Commander does contain some basic protections, so that if you change the floppy while an old listing is displayed, it won't delete a file with the same name. You can download the Multi Floppy Commander with Turbo from the link in the description below, so you can give it a go yourself. The program is in the form of a Magic Desk cartridge image, so you can easily test it in an emulator or burn it onto an EEPROM and give it a spin. That wraps it up for today. If you want to see any new features, let me know in the comments, and if you do try it out, let me know what you think about it. As always, goodbye from the Retro Chicken Farm, and I'll see you in the next one.